In this video, I will show you how to lock a folder in Windows 10 with a password. First, go to the folder that you want to protect. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click the Advanced button. A new window will appear. Look for the option that says Encrypt Contents to Secure Data and check the box next to it. Then click OK. Now click Apply in the Properties window. Windows will ask whether you want to encrypt just the selected folder or the folder and all of its contents. Choose the option to encrypt the folder and its subfolders to keep everything inside protected. Then click OK. After that, Windows might show a message asking if you want to back up your encryption key. This key helps you recover the folder if you ever lose access. If you don't want to make a backup, select Never Backup. If you want to be safe, click Backup Now and follow the steps on the screen. When prompted, enter the password you want to use for the encryption. Choose something you can remember but that others can't guess easily. Then click Next and continue with the setup. Once the process finishes, your folder is now locked and only your user account can open it. Anyone else who tries to access it without permission won't be able to view the contents. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.